Hello everyone. Power BI shape map now in GA, and in this video we'll discuss about shape map. Now let me switch to the computer for the demo. So first I will add a shape map from Power BI Visual Gallery. So let me expand Power BI Visual Gallery, and here you can see shape map. Now let me add this to the page, and let me increase the width and height of this map. Now from the data model, here you can see the location table, and here is a column called state. So these states are from United States of America, and I will add it here in the location, and legend we'll see later. The color saturation, from the cells table I will add a total cells actually. So here you can see three colors actually. So gray color is a blank, and you can see there is no cells value for the gray color. That is the reason it is marked as a gray. And where you can see the color actually, California, you can see the total cells, and in the other state you can also see the total cells. Now we'll see the some important setting for this map. So I'll click this and I will go to the map setting. So here you can see in the type 2 option URL and file upload. You can use this whatever. The by default it is a file upload. And this is very important, the map type actually. So default selection is USA is states actually by default. And but you can see the list of option depending on your requirement. You can select from here, and you can also see the custom map also. If you want a custom map, you can add the custom map as well. Now there is a zoom actually. So z- auto zoom, zoom on selection, manual zoom. So let me enable the zoom on selection, and for example if I click here actually, so this area is zoomed, and now if I'll click again, it is a zoom out. So this is all about the map setting. Now this is important, the color. So right now you can see the two colors actually, two colors where the cells values are there. The minimum color, here you can see minimum color and the maximum color. So let me select a minimum color, sky blue, and max color, slightly darker, dark blue. So you can see here two colors. But if you want to add a middle color also, so you can select the middle color as well. So for example, let me select this one or something. Okay, let me select this one. So you can see now three colors, dark blue, this blue, and this light blue. So this is about the color saturation. And we have a option also for the blank area. Right now we can see the blank area is marked as a gray, and here if you want to choose some different, from here the blank, for blank area you can choose some different colors actually. So let me select a white color, so you can see the blank areas are white actually. And we have a option for border as well. So border, if you can see, the border is right now is a black default, and the width is the one. You can increase the border width as well. So you can see the border width has been increased, and now you can change the color of the border also. For example, let me select a red color. So you can see the border as a red color. Now, if you do not want a blank area here on the map, so here you can see one option called blank area. Blank, in the blank area, under the blank area, you can see one option, show blank area. It is right now it is enabled. So if you disable this, and you can see the blank area disappear from the map. So now let me enable, and we'll see the legend actually. If you will add the legend, what is going to be happen? In the legend also, I will add a state actually. So here you can see actually, these are the legend. So these are the states actually. And here you can see different colors based on the state legends. So that's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.